Myntri Thymmai bedi pet ya ka Bording hakajala u apu taher mondal henne kasngi ulaong bakathong bahakmat e jong u kalong banpen bhai ka jingsam Bording naka MECL badru banpet benya halor ka Jinglip bakalayat lingba baro shi kata.
See, immediate attention is that how we can improve the power scenario in the state vis-a-vis generation and transmission and distribution. All these three options we are seeing. At the same time, how do we cope up with the losses? Because you are aware that many corporations and organizations are having some dues with us. So, having considered all these things, our thrust area will be to overall improvement in the power scenario in the state.
Hagaju kapor ulaong ru ba kajing pedankam Bording hagajala kalakiu ba habaya nujor bat kipor barim. Ulaong ru bakalong kaba ban Tehlakam ya Jinglip Bording Khah namar bajur kajing dawa kababu jing ya kajing ai jing shakri.
Meghalaya was once a power surplus state. It is quite a long time back. And by the meantime, lots of factor has been there. Number of villages been connected, then the utility that our consumers are getting. You can see earlier days, one ceiling fan was the luxury. These days, how much appliances we are using. So per capita consumption has gone up like anything. Our generation has not gone up in the same pace. So we got to revisit these deficiencies so that once again we become the power surplus state. It's a tough job. You see, it doesn't mean that this problem will be solved immediately. There is a gap between the requirement and the supply. So our intention will be how do we reduce that gap. Once the gap has been reduced, so automatically power cuts will be withdrawn.
Laban kedau hangni baka MECL kalayat lingba buan kijing syakan thoa haka sarkar baladam kabakentup ru ika jing tokit basimet baladawa raka seng UDP kabaya dan benta haka sarkar senrap baladam.